Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a super warm and really luxurious sweatshirt? This one from Boladeci has a really nice sherpa lining that will keep you warm through the coldest of winter months. So this is the black color, and you can see that it's made of a really good cotton material. It washes really well. The best part is that it has that really awesome sherpa lining that makes it so warm and cozy. This is a great sweatshirt if you're working outdoors or if you're just lounging around at home during the cold winter months. It is true to size. This is the men's large, and you can see that the sleeve length is really good. The edging has some really good, nice fabric at the ends for the cuffs as well as at the bottom. And everything on this just feels like a really rugged, good quality sweatshirt. I really appreciate that the tag is not super intrusive, so it's comfortable to wear. And again, it has that lining throughout the whole sweatshirt, even in the sleeves. Even after washing it, it stayed in shape really good, and it's just representing a good quality item that is great for your hard working guy, or if you want to wear it, it's super comfy for you as well. But that's just my point of view.